Hello everyone, I am Antu Ghosh. Welcome to our channel Learn Home Science Net with me. In that video, we learn what is the major component of nutrition. Basic major components are carbohydrate, protein, and fat. Carbohydrate is one type of major component in our daily diet. What is carbohydrate? Carbohydrates is a energy serving nutrient in our daily diet. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atom are consist of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, a general formula is CH2O whole N. Carbohydrates are classified mainly three groups: monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide. What is monosaccharide? Monosaccharide are one type of carbohydrate that are present one carbon chain in a carbohydrate. Monosaccharides are glucose, fructose, and galactose. The next one is disaccharides, two or more carbon chain in a carbohydrate that are also called disaccharide. Disaccharides are maltose, lactose, sucrose. Okay. The next one is polysaccharide. More than 2 or 10 carbon chain are present in a carbohydrate that is called polysaccharide. Starch, glycogen are example of polysaccharide. What is the function of carbohydrate? Carbohydrate's main function is energy supply in our body. 1 gram carbohydrate are supplied 4.1 kcal energy in our body. Carbohydrate also provide protein sparing action. What is protein sparing action? We are know when body are insufficient in carbohydrate intake, then body take protein and fat to fuel. In that situation, bodied tissue protein are usually used to fuel of protein. In that situation, we are mostly include either carbohydrate in his diet that are help to store body glycogen. In fasting time, when we are unable to eating, that glycogen are provide energy to convert of glucose. So carbohydrates are a big role in protein sparing action. Next major component is fat. Fat is a major component that also supply energy in our body and also many kind of function of fat. Fat are classified mainly two part: unsaturated fat and saturated fat. What is saturated fat? Saturated fat is one type of fat that are all kind of fatty acid are in single bond or called saturated fat. Palmitic acid, stearic acid, oleic acid example of saturated fat. What is unsaturated fat? Unsaturated fat is one type of fat. In that situation, fatty acid are in double band or hydrogen or carbon atom are attached with each other. What is the function of fat? Fat mainly function is 1 gram fat provide 9.3 kcal energy. Fat are cushion cover in many vital organ. Next, we are know many type of vitamins, mainly A, D, E, K. Vitamin are fat soluble. In that, vitamin absorption are very good role are play in fat. Okay. Next is what is protein. Protein. Protein is also a important part in our life. Also important nutrient. What is why protein are called replacing tissue that are helping immune systems. All kind of work is held by protein. What is amino acid? Amino acid are called building block of protein. Okay. Eight types of essential amino acids are required in our daily body mechanism, that are methionine, valine, trypsin, tryptophan, arginine, isoleucine, leucine, lysines. This type of amino acid are not usually body makeup. Body did not made this essential amino acid. We are consumed in our diet and body that use in various work. What is essential fatty acid? Arachidonic acid, eicosapentaenoic acid, and deoxyribonucleic acid is usually essential part of fatty acid that are mainly help in cardiac health. Seafish and walnut, chia seed, that are good sources of essential fatty acid. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and share your friend. Okay.